Hi everyone! Okay, so today I have GOT7's Flight. As always, I bought it from K-Pop Town and they gave me a little freebie. I've been waiting for this for a while because I ordered the BTS Now 3 with it and that was pre-ordered, so yeah, I finally got it. Alright, so this is really weird. This Bam Bam. Focus. We have JB. Mark. I really hope I get him in both of my cards. I already saw like one unboxing for this, but it's not really an unboxing. Like, I didn't really watch it. I just kind of wanted to see what kind of photo cards, what things it came with, but I didn't really watch the photo book unboxing, so I'm really excited because it's really cool. It comes with this like airplane ticket looking thing. What is it called? Like, I don't know what it's called. Okay, let's just get started. So this is the, I don't know if this is the front or the back, but here is the what is it called, track list, and I'm gonna guess that one's the front, this is the back. Alright, it's held up together, it's held together by this clear plastic, and it's really pretty. I'm not really sure what version this is, but I will look it up and I'll put it in the title, but I forgot at the moment what version it is. It's like the Serenity or Dream. I'm not really sure, but it's really cool. It has like the members on there. And here is the track list again. There's a sticker. Alright, let's look at this first. I guess this is a mini poster. It's really pretty. I love the colors. I love pastel. And then the flight log. Oh, departure card. Departure card. Not really sure what this is for, but yeah. I have no idea. Okay. And then the disc. I really like the color. Like, I like the colors for this album so much. I want both of the versions, but I don't think I should do that to myself. Alright. It's a compass. I hope I said that right. Alright. Now let's look at the photo book. Oops. My stomach. The spine and the, what is this? I can't. It is the track list again. Alright. I wasn't ready. No! I didn't get. Okay, yes, never mind. I got one mark. Yes! At least I got one mark. This is really cool. It's super cool. This is from Mark to Yu-Gi-Oh! But I don't want to go from Mark. I want to stay with Mark. From Mark. This is cool. And then we have Bam Bam as the actual photo card. And Genie, whatever. Alright. First, JB, and it has their name there. Look at how pretty the colors are. Wow. Jackson. I believe the photo books are different for both of the versions. Part 2, Flight Log. And then here we have the lyrics to Fly. JP. I think Fly has to be one of my favorite songs, and then there's another one. I forgot. Why did they put this picture here? Can't. It's the lyrics to See Delight. Oh, See Delight. See Delight is my other favorite song from the album. They are coming to Dallas this summer, but I will not be going to see them. I'm waiting for BTS because we'll be going to see BAP this week. I'm super excited. They're not that one of those groups where I must see. They're kind of like one of those groups where it'll be really cool if I get to see them, but it's okay if I don't get to. Even though I really like Mark, and maybe one day I'll get to really see them. But it's not like really urgent kind of thing. I like his Converse. I really like this color. I like this color. I like the pink too and the gray. It just matches so well. Reminds me of Beast. And then we have the thanks to, let me see. I wonder if they, Jackson's is really long. There. And then Mark has like one, oh, just kidding. He has an English, and Korean. And then there's some Maknae line, or kinda, I don't know if Yeonjae is part of the Maknae line, but theirs is really short. Wow, this is so pretty. It's really up close. Whoops. And the credits. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.